In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change colors of objects in a video using After Effects. I'll use the simple clip of flowers in a field and we'll be changing colors of the flowers. So first of all, get your video in the timeline. After that, go to Effects and Presets window and search for Change. And in the color correction tab, you'll see two effects, Change Color and Change to Color. Let's use the Change Color first. Apply that to the video layer. Then in Effect Controls, you can get the color to change. Select the pivot tool and select the color you want to change. So let's select the red. And the way you change color is by dragging the hue transform. As you do that, you can see that colors are changing. And you can see that it's not perfect. You can still see the previous color. And you fix that by increasing the matching tolerance. Just slightly increase that. And as you do, you can see that the more colors are being selected. And to smoothen this out, you just increase the matching softness just a little bit. As you do, you can see that the picture is a lot smoother. Now let's use some like purple color, like for the contrast. And if we preview this from the beginning, you can see that the colors, are now purple, the flowers. But there is one more effect. So let's remove this one and apply the change to color to the video. And this might work better in some scenarios. So again, you'll select from the pivot tool, let's select the red color. And you can just select the two color, whichever one you want. Let's select the purple just for the contrast. Click OK. And again, it might not be perfect. And for that, you just need to increase the hue. Just slightly increase it until you can see that the colors of all the flowers are changed. And you can see this effect has done a better job at, actually isolating the red color. And if we play this, you can see that the red flowers have turned into purple. And of course, you're not limited to any color. You can just select whichever color you want and it'll all update automatically. And that's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.